I've been a dermatologist for over 25 years. I opened my practice on Miami Beach. After being on the beach for about 7 to 8 years, I decided to move down to Biscayne Boulevard because we were able to create a brand new space the way I wanted to be done and also have more room to grow my practice in.
Dr. Dermatology, the founder, he actually volunteered as a dermatologist at the University of Miami. And so during our surgical training, he would come in about once per month. During the course of my training, we got to know each other. And eventually, I joined his practice after residency.
The services the practice provides are, general dermatology, Mohs surgery, which is what I'm board certified in also, which is one of my specialties, which is surgery performed for skin cancer, where after we're finished with the surgery, we know that all the cancer has been taken care of, and it's also been reconstructed. And besides skin cancer and general dermatology, we also provide aesthetic services, including chemical peels, lasers, and other fillers and injectables like Botox and Juvederm, for example.
One of the biggest misconceptions about dermatology is that we only do cosmetics, when in reality we see a lot of very robust and severe diseases that affect the skin. And so knowing that you have an expert board-certified dermatologist at your service is good, because we've seen patients during our training where we had to admit them to the hospitals for things like severe drug rashes or even severe psoriasis, severe skin infections. I think that spreading the word that we're more than just cosmetics is very important. Dermatology, specifically as hair, we offer the comprehensive range of services, including medical dermatology, so things like psoriasis, atopic dermatitis or eczema, acne, rosacea treatment, surgical dermatology, so the most common things that we do are excising cysts or lipomas, which are fatty growths, and then skin cancer screening and skin cancer detection leads to a surgery called Mohs surgery that we do here in the office. And then finally, cosmetic dermatology, so the whole range of things from Botox, fillers, laser procedures, advanced chemical peels. Those I would say are the most common. A lot of times in dermatology, patients come in for a specific spot or a specific concern, but usually for our patients, the moment that you walk in the door, we have to offer you a comprehensive skin check, meaning we look from head to toe to evaluate all the lumps and bumps or moles to make sure that none of them are concerning. I think it's, we're obliged because that's how we catch things early. And in those visits, we're also able to counsel patients and give them education to help them better detect or look what to look for, so that in case anything new comes up before we see them in the early visits, they're able to come in sooner so that we can detect things sooner.
Me and my partner both enjoy tremendously what we do, and our goal is to provide as good a service as we can to our patients, including, of course, the best care possible, and also an environment that they feel comfortable in and feel great about going back to.
If you're looking for comprehensive medical, surgical, and cosmetic dermatology, we welcome you with open hands at Latitude Dermatology. We're excited to provide you with excellent patient care from the beginning to the end.
Our main location is on Biscayne Boulevard. That's basically what you would consider the mothership. That's where every aesthetics, everything gets done. The location, which is more of a satellite location, Hialeah, focuses more on general dermatology and surgical dermatology. But for the aesthetic services, we do use the Biscayne Boulevard office as the main location.